Hi, welcome to new video from technery.com. So this video will be a much more techy. So are you looking for the best graphics card which is engineered to deliver serious 4K resolution gaming and ultra high frame rates? Well, then you must look at AMD's latest graphics card. This is the flagship graphics card from the AMD company. This is the top graphics card, which is the AMD Radeon RX 6000 GT series. So this is the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT graphics card, which is powered by AMD RDNA 2 architecture. It has 80 powerful enhanced compute units and 128 MB of new AMD Infinity Cache and 16 GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory. You can enjoy truly immersive gaming experience with DirectX 12 Ultimate. This has robust visual feature set which is enabled by the AMD Fidelity FX. You can get more details with the Radeon image sharpening. It has once-click overclocking feature by using the Radeon software performance tuning presets. Ultimate dream graphics card for the esports gamers. It offers no tearing, no stuttering, and can deliver over 1300 monitors with AMD FreeSync technology. The gamer can achieve competitive edge with the lower input latency with the Radeon anti-lag feature. User can also get extra performance when needed with the Radeon Boost. The AMD Radeon software Adrenaline 2020 edition will help you to take advantage of features which deliver truly immersive experience. This helps you to get tear-free gaming, stunning visuals, stutter-free gaming, and also optimized day zero game drivers. You will get reduced input latency as well. With the use of AMD Ryzen processors and AMD Radeon RX graphics cards, you can build the ultimate gaming PC. These are the perfect pair which enables the do-it-all platform. The AMD Smart Access Memory is able to allow new levels of communication between the Ryzen processors and the Radeon graphic cards. User is able to achieve 7% more gaming performance across the selected games at 4K on the Radeon RX 6800 series graphic cards. It has 80 compute units. Boost frequency is up to 2250 MHz. The game frequency is up to 2015 MHz. There are 80 ray accelerators. Peak pixel fill rate is up to 288 GP per second and peak texture fill rate is up to 720 GT per second. The peak half precision compute performance is 46.08 TFLOPS, whereas the peak single precision compute performance is 23.04 TFLOPS. The ROPS is 128. There are 5120 stream processors and 320 texture units. The transistor count is 26.8B and GPU power is 300 watt. It requires minimum PSU of 850 watt. So that is really important and should be taken into consideration while using this graphics card. The Infinity Cache in the GPU memory is of 128 MB. Memory speed is of amazing 16 GB per second and max memory size is 16 GB. The memory type is GDDR6 and memory interface is of 256 bits. The memory bandwidth is up to 512 GB per second. It supports the latest rendering formats which include HDMI 4K support, 4K H.264 decode, 4K H.264 encode, H.265 HEVC decode, H.265 HEVC encode, and AV1 decode. Connectivity options include DisplayPort of 1.4 with DSC and HDMI 2.1, VRR and FRL. Length of this graphics card is 256 mm and takes 2.5 slots. It is a part of the AMD Radeon 6000 series family and consists of the AMD Radeon 6900 series. It supports Windows 10 64-bit edition and Linux x86 64 version. Additional power connector of 2 by 8 pin is needed as well. If you are looking for graphics card which will help you to enjoy 4K resolution gaming at ultra high frame rates, then this is the best graphics card from AMD till date. Launch price is 999 US dollars, so it will be available from 8th of December. So if you want to purchase it, do check out the link in the description below. This is the flagship graphics card from AMD and best for gaming up to date. So if you want to purchase the best graphics card, do have a look at this graphics card, and if you want to purchase it, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. For more such interesting tech news and gadget reviews, keep visiting our website, which is technery.com, and kindly like this video and do comment on it as well. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.